Hi, welcome back. At this point, you've got a fully functioning and working Node-RED installation on your Raspberry Pi, and you can actually go ahead and start creating your flows. But I wanted to show you that there are actually configuration settings file that contains various configuration options that you may want to take into account and customize your Node-RED installation to suit your needs. I am going to continue using Node-RED in this project with its default settings, so I'm not going to make any changes to the configuration file, but I think it is worth showing this because there are some options that are quite useful to know that you can change. So here in the documentation under documentation docs user guide, you've got the configuration settings file and the configuration options that it's worth looking at. Under settings file, you'll see that according to the documentation, Node-RED has installed a .node-red directory in your Pi user home directory. So let me show you what that looks like. I'm going to log on to node-red.local. Okay, and I'm going to then cd into Node-RED. And here you'll see that there is the settings.js file. You can have a look inside that. Actually, I'll use Nano. The Nano editor comes bundled with the Raspberry Pi OS, or you can install Vim if you prefer that. I'm just going to go for Nano to save a bit of time. So settings.js, and this is what the configuration file looks like, settings.js. Most of the options, as you can see, are commented out. So you can, if you want to enable them, you just remove the 2 forward slashes. Let's go back one level, have a look inside configuration options. If you want to know what each one of those options is about, then have a look at this section of this document. So flow file, for example, user dir directory, nodes the directory, etc., etc. Everything that you need in order to customize your Node-RED installation is in here. As I said, I'm going to leave my configuration default exactly as it is. I'm going to get out of Nano, and that's about it. I'm going to now go on with a series of demonstrations of various nodes and simple flows, and some of the flows as well that I'm going to demonstrate relate to the actual flow that makes up the Terrarium controller. So let's dig into this next.